Two people, same age, same income, same starting point. One buys a rental property at 23. The other opens a brokerage account and buys index funds. 20 years later, their lives look completely different. Which one won? The answer is not what most people expect. Everyone has an opinion on this debate. Real estate people say stocks are gambling. Stock people say real estate is a headache. And most people in their 20s do nothing, paralyzed trying to pick the right side. But the real mistake is thinking there is only one right answer. Here is what actually happens. The real estate investor at 23 puts down $20,000 on a rental property. Tenants pay the mortgage. Equity builds slowly. But the property needs repairs. Calls at midnight. Difficult tenants. Time and stress nobody advertises. The stock investor puts the same $20,000 into index funds. No tenants. No repairs. No calls. Just slow, steady compounding in the background. Some years up. Some years down. But always moving forward. Here is the truth nobody says out loud. Real estate builds wealth through leverage and forced discipline. Stocks build wealth through patience and emotional control. Both work, but they punish completely different weaknesses. Real estate punishes people who hate responsibility. Stocks punish people who panic and sell. The best investment in your 20s is not real estate or stocks. It is the one you will actually stick with. Because the investor who stays in the game for 20 years always beats the investor who picked the perfect asset but quit after year 3. Real estate or stocks, the question was never which one is better. The question is, which one fits who you actually are. Because the best strategy in the world means nothing if you cannot live with it long enough to let it work.